Welcome to the Random Forex Trader 2022 and beyond, episode number 27. Let's go to the charts. As we were talking about in the previous episode, the GBP USD trading pair, the Forex pair that we are trading, is literally still in a range. It has been this far. It's coming up on Tuesday evening at the first of the week here. So it's still in a range. I'm going to make some quick decisions here. We had, if you look at our settings, we had a target profit amount of $50. In this particular market, I'm going to say that's a little high because we are at a profit on the current sell trade at about $32, $33 and a drawdown of $38 roughly on the buy side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to manually take this profit at $33 right now, get out of that profitable sell trade. I'm going to leave the drawdown trade, $38, like I said, buy side. And what I'm going to do is go back to the settings here. And since the market is just sideways, and to help this thing start taking profits and moving along, I'm going to put our target profit amount at $25. The system would have taken profit and we'd be in the current situation we are. Let me hit the OK button here.
Now, after watching this random Forex trading series, I hope you understand that if manual trading can be profitable randomly, imagine getting access to an automated trading system which sends profitable trades to your account daily, all on autopilot. If you are ready to stop trading manually and automate your Forex profits even as a prop firm trader, check the link in the description area below or simply visit fxwithterry.com for full details. Now, back to the video.
And as I've said in the past, we will go into another balanced trade. In this case, unless this buy trade goes into profit, we are going to be in a sell trade. And again, the system, the only change I made, I'm looking for a $25 profit each side. The automated robot we're using, the time of day hedging EA, you can get a link in the description below if you want to use something like this. But you'll find this fits very well into the concept of a random trade. Every morning at 9 a.m., this is the system, the automated robot is balancing our trades. Currently, we're in a buy, and it's in a little bit of a drawdown. If it was 9 a.m. or when it gets there and that buy is still in play, it will enter a sell. And our new setting is we're looking for $25 worth of profit. The reason I did that, the price is just not moving enough either side of the buy and sell line in the center here for us to grab a $50 profit. So one of the things you could do is exactly what I did. I just randomly chose $25. You could set it at $10 and you get profit, 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 profit. It'd go down, take profit at $10, up and take profit at $10. And one thing that we can start thinking about here is if I don't get much movement, because I want to keep these episodes moving, if I don't get much movement here, what I can do is go down in time frame. We're currently on the 4-hour. That's a very common thing with robot trading. If you want more trades, typically, of course, it depends on the robot. If you want more trades, basically, in this case, we're saying not that we're going to get more trades, although we could tell it to take more trades. Right now, I just have it taking a maximum of 2, maximum of 1 buy, a maximum of 1 sell. We could increase that just in the settings, but if I come down in time frame, you'll notice on many robots, not this one, but on many robots, just coming down in time frame will give you more trades. Trading on the 1 minute compared to the 4-hour. In this case, what I would do is I would go into the settings, and somewhere in the settings here is, for example, right here, it says max trades open at a time. 1 to 40 is what the robot allows. In this case, I'm literally saying 2. We can start to increase that. So think about this. If I said, hey, robot system, go ahead and take smaller profits, $2, $3, $5, $10, and go ahead and do more trades at a time, that's how we control the system.
If you are enjoying the Random Forex Trader video series and you are beginning to see the power of creating profits in the Forex market, it's even easier to get all of my daily profitable Forex trades sent directly to your MT4 account, freeing you up from complex trade entry strategies, and you can get your share of the automated Forex profits. Check the link in the description area below or simply visit fxwithterry.com for full details. Now, back to the video.
A lot of times asking for huge profits per trade, you'll find, especially when when doing automated, algorithmic, robot, expert advisor, EA trading, that you'll find you'll do a lot better if you're just asking less profits from the system with more trades. And it's really just a function of the automation. So there you go. Take that to the bank. That concept right there, although pretty straightforward and logical, is something that it takes time to learn when you're robot trading. Most of my top successful robot trading feeds in my copy trade system that I offer to the public, if that's something you want to get, most of those, I think my maximum one is set at about 10 pips take profit. It will take a lot more than that if the market's moving. What I find is rarely does it because the market's not moving that much for it to take much more than on average of about 8 to 10 pips. I also have one that takes 2 pips take profit, and it does a lot of trades, and it has a very high success rate, well over 90%. But remember, that is a function of the fact that you're just asking less from the system. More trades, less pips, 2 pip take profit might sound like very little, but you'll find that you just have massive amounts of successful trades because the market doesn't need to move that much for the robot to take profit and go into another trade. So that's it for this episode. I'm sure that we're going to get some more action, more movement here because we're only asking for $25 worth of profit. And we'll see how this plays out. I'll see you in the next episode. If you would like to follow the Random Trader live and watch all of my trades in real time on your mobile device, tablet, or desktop PC, you can do so completely for free. I give you direct access to all of the account login details at fxwithterry.com/account login, and you'll find a direct link in the description below. So get access, download the app or the software, and follow the Random Trader live right on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching this episode of the Forex Random Trader. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date on the Forex Random Trader series success. Leave a comment and like below to be entered to win the copy trade service free for life. And visit fxwithterry.com for more. I'll see you in the next episode.